Welcome, little artists. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly, and remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you. Once upon a bright white drawing page, something magical was about to begin. The page looked empty, quiet, and ready, like it was holding its breath. "What will appear here?" whispered the crayon box. "Maybe a cloud? Maybe a potato? Maybe a funny little friend?" The adventure, a wiggly black line swooped onto the page and made a big bean shape. It curved around like a soft jelly bean taking a nap. "Boing," said the line, as if it had bounced into place. It did not look like a full animal yet, but every great drawing starts with one brave, silly shape.
Yay!
Now a round snout popped out at the front, and two floppy ears sprang up on top. The shape began to look like a cheerful little piglet. The ears stood proudly, like tiny flags saying, "Hello, world." The snout pointed forward, ready to sniff flowers, cookies, and maybe a muddy puddle. Two round eyes appeared, bright and curious, and a soft cheek circle landed on the face. The little piglet suddenly looked awake. "Oh," giggled the drawing. "I can see now." The cheek made the face extra sweet, like a pink bubble waiting to be colored in later.
Yay!
Tiny dots filled the snout, and the eyes got bold circles inside them. Now the piglet looked surprised, happy, and a little bit goofy. The face seemed to say, "Is it snack time yet?" The lines were simple, but they already showed a friendly character full of playful energy. A big, smiling mouth curved onto the face. What a difference one smile can make. The little piglet no longer looked quiet. Now it looked ready to laugh, jump, and tell jokes. "Hee hee," said the smile. "I am here to make everyone feel cheerful today."
Yay!
A simple dress shape appeared underneath the head, like a little triangle with a flat bottom. Now the piglet had a body and could stand tall. The head sat happily on top, and the whole drawing looked proud. "Look at me," the piglet seemed to say. "I am almost ready." One tiny arm stretched out to the side with a funny little hand. It looked like the piglet was waving hello to a friend across the page. "Hi there," the arm seemed to wiggle. With just one arm, the drawing became more lively, as if it wanted to join the story right away. Another arm appeared on the other side, and now the piglet looked ready for a big hug. The little hands spread wide, cheerful and welcoming. "Come play with me," the drawing seemed to call. The smile, the arms, and the bright eyes made everything feel warm and friendly. A curly tail twirled onto the back like a tiny spring. Boing, boing, boing! The piglet had a tail that looked full of giggles. It curled so neatly, as if it had practiced spinning in circles. Now the little friend looked even more like a playful piglet.
Wow!
One little boot stepped into place under the dress. It was small, round, and ready for walking. The piglet seemed to say, "I have one foot, I can almost march." Maybe it would tiptoe through grass, dance on the floor, or stomp happily in pretend muddy puddles. A second boot appeared, and now the piglet could stand with balance. Hooray! 2 boots meant 2 steps, 2 hops, and maybe a silly dance. The arms stretched out, the tail curled, and the smile stayed bright. The drawing was almost complete, just waiting for a final touch.
Yay!
The body became rounder and softer, making the little piglet look extra cute and bouncy. The dress changed shape, and the legs looked ready to wiggle. "I feel stronger now." The piglet seemed to cheer. Every line helped the character become more full of life. The boots became clearer with bold outlines and happy little soles. The piglet looked ready to walk right out of the drawing. Step, step, wiggle, giggle. The tiny shoes seemed perfect for a fun day of exploring, dancing, and making friends everywhere. All the black lines were finished now. The piglet stood proudly with round eyes, a sweet cheek, a smiling mouth, open arms, tiny boots, and a curly tail. It was like a coloring book friend saying, "Great job, you followed each step, and now I am here." At last, colors filled the drawing with joy. The piglet turned soft pink, the cheek became rosy, the dress became bright blue, and the boots popped in cheerful red. "Ta-da!" laughed the little piglet. From one blank page to a happy friend, the drawing adventure was complete.